welcome to Kiwi. I'm Kiwi, and this is the Outdoor Apprentice. As you know, we like making bannocks on my channel because I love bannocks. I don't know why, I just do. But today we're trying a different recipe, and if you want to see the ingredients for this recipe, go to Hampshire Outdoors and Survival. In his back catalogue, he has this recipe, and this is where I've taken it from. So thank you very much, Mick. We're giving your recipe a go today. Basically, it's flour, salt, bicarbonated soda, sugar, and we've substituted one of the cups of flour for a cup of oats because we like oats. And that's what it looks like. It's all in a bag. It's all ready to go. And this is his method, and he cooks it outside, but we're doing it inside because it's too cold to go out. So, and it's 1 cup of water. So you add half a cup of water to start, which I will do very gingerly and try not to spill everywhere. The reason it's in the bowl is in case I spill any. So what you do is you seal the bag, take some of the air out, seal the bag, and then you mix it together.
That changed very quickly.
Yep, it's really good that it's in a bag, so it makes it. Normally we make a right mess when we do this.
And it's easier because when you're mixing it, it's really hard to stir.
Yeah, so you just squeeze it all together. We need a little bit more water. Add a bit more water because it's not quite doughy. And we will endeavour to get this into a mixture. So I think the bag idea is brilliant because sorry for the rustling sound, guys. It's a bag. This is a very clean way to do this.
The bag ain't right.
Well, the bag's going in the bin. Just trying to get this into some sort of dough consistency.
I think we need more.
Probably. And we'll do that in a second. Let me just see if I can get more of this in. And then use up a whole cup.
Only adding little bits.
Adding a little bit of water at a time. That is now truly mushy. Yeah, it's probably a bit wet, but never mind. Like Mick says, if you watch his version of this, it doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave that for a little bit, and we'll bring you back shortly. So we've let this rest. Full disclosure, we have added more flour because it was too wet. I did put too much water in it, so you can just add flour and you get a dough. Okay? It's quite floury, quite doughy and quite sticky. It's all good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take out sections of it, or like we did before, and we're going to put them on the greaseproof paper on the other side of the kitchen, and then we're going to bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And what we'll do, top tip, if your honey has solidified in the bottom of your pot, put it in hot water for a few minutes,
I think that'll stop.
I'm trying not to break the cup. And you get runny
No,
honey.
that's solidified.
You get runny honey. Give it a bit of a shake. And we have honey.
You can't see. You can't see.
Bit of a shake, and you get honey. Still quite solidified. That was quite old honey, but it should still be fine.
Honey, last year.
What we're going to do is we're going to spread some of the honey over the top of the bannock breads once we've got it on the tray.
Right now,
So what we've done, guys, is we've put grease-proof paper over our tray to put our bannocks on, stop them sticking. Okay. As before, temperature in the oven is 200 degrees Celsius, and we're going to cook these for about 20 minutes. These ones won't be doing for an hour afterwards because they don't have the suet in, so they won't be going hard. So these ones are basically cook and eat kind of ones. All right. If I can get to the bottom of the bag.
bit wet at the bottom.
There's a little bit sticky, but it's all good. Oh, come on, you bugger. Oh. These are sticky.
I think that needs a bit of flour.
No, it's all good. It's all good. Brown paper will sort it out. What do you reckon I should do what I normally do with the others and stick them in the flour and oats?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we go with that?
Yeah.
All right, can you grab the pot, put some flour in it for me? Okay. So I'm basically just going to coat these in a little bit of flour just because they are so sticky. And then we're going to drizzle a little bit of honey over the top once we've got them all on the thing. Stay standing. Right, as you can see, these are very, very sticky. So a little bit of flour, just stick them in a little bit of flour so that they stick together. I'm not going to lie, this is tricky out of the bag, but it does save washing up. This is funny.
Can I do one?
Yep, if you want to get your hands dirty. A little bit of flour. Stop that stickiness. Pat them down. Right, the last one will be this one. Pull this out of here. Flatten it down a bit.
I'm trying, but it's stuck to my hand.
I know, that's the dry last of it. Right, let's see if I can get the last of this out of here. Of course, none of us is on camera because your back's to the camera, but never mind.
Almost my arms on the camera.
Is that all of it?
Baby bannock.
Yeah, that's yours.
No, it's not.
Yep, you made it.
It'll be someone else's. Because it doesn't have chocolate in it, it looks really plain.
Because they are plain. These are literally plain bannocks.
The only thing they have in it that's interesting is oats.
Right. 5 bannocks. And a whole lot of mess.
That one just took a really big turn compared to the rest of these.
Stop playing with it.
Have a look.
Please stop playing with it.
It's still in my hand.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Okay. Sacrifice a tea towel.
Mine are plastic. Then yours is gel.
I'm just going to kill us. What did you do that to the tea towel for? There you go. Right. Really wash my hands. That is a bit messy, I will admit. I think it would have been better in a bowl, but hey, it's fine.
The tea towel said it wasn't fun. The tea towel said it wasn't fun. It's quite soft actually.
Okay. Okay. Now. So what should happen
The honey comes out.
when the honey comes out, it is quite hard, is it will crystallise on the top.
Ooh.
Let me see if I can get...
Probably a more efficient method. Spoon.
I suppose you're wondering why I used the flat end of the spoon and not the spoon itself.
No. I already know.
Why? Come on.
So
Yeah,
you can get in
know.
the plate. And it can be used as a knife.
That, not just a pretty face, eh?
Well. Brizzy.
Not just some pretty little survivalist.
I think we should put more on it.
I'm going to.
You're going to?
Yeah, I've got lots of honey to use. There's quite a bit of honey in here.
I think we should use the rest of it.
I was going to. Oops, drop some honey. What a shame, I'll have to use it now. Come out. Jace will probably tell me there's a much easier way to do that, but hey. Right.
Squeezy honey wasn't so squeezy, was it?
No, because it was too old. It crystallises once it gets to a certain point. Heating it probably needs really hot water for a bit longer to make it dissolve, but that's fine. Honey goodness.
Right, I just saw that.
Look how easy the other finger, isn't it? Right, 20 minutes time, we'll get them back out and see what they look like. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, the bannocks that are finished. As you can see, 2 are missing because Miss Greedy Guts here ate one and I had the small one to test what they like. They are a little bit chewy, but the honey gives them a really good flavour. They are really nice. And we probably will be making this again, but I probably won't video it this time. This was just a thank you to Mick and to say I'm glad you're getting better. I hope you're recovering from your surgery well. And, you know, as you know, our thoughts go out to you and Kaz and everyone. And Jace, thanks to Jace for helping you out. And Mac and everyone that's helping you in your recovery. So yeah, a little ode to Mick from Hampshire Outdoors and Survival, and we'll break one open and see what they're like, shall we? You getting up now? We're not going to break one open.
I'm going to
So
strip the back.
that's what they look like. They are literally a bread, like not like the bannocks that I normally make.
Because we didn't have any chocolate.
We didn't put chocolate in it this time. We didn't have any, but the honey definitely. These are a different consistency. Although they are very good. These are a different consistency to the previous ones. They're more spongy. The honey makes a big difference. It goes on the top, crystallises on the top. It's really quite nice. It gives it a really nice sweet flavour.
You want that?
Crystallised honey, yummy.
Wow.
Very good. So, yeah. Good one, Mick. We like them. I doubt there'll be any left for tomorrow to take to work and to school. But hey. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. All that good stuff. Kiwi out.